The one camping experience we didn't get was when you wake up in the morning from camping. It's like so peaceful. You open the tent and like the fire's still a little bit burning and
After school, the TV's on, the flame is blue, and you hope it won't take all afternoon. The TV's waiting to talk to you. It's your naked body on white velour. If there's no feeling, just wait on you. But you get nauseous now as he speaks to you. Such proper language for acts so cruel. He says we all follow the rules. We can very well go and break them now, can we? For you, for you. Your older sisters, I had them too, but you're my favorite, you know it's true. You look like your mother in that thin disguise, your parting mouth, your shining eyes, and the way that you hate me, and the length of your hair. It's the reason I made you. It's the bond that we share. You see, we're all trying to endure. You could easily go and make your own life somewhere. Couldn't you? Couldn't you? Couldn't you? Couldn't you? Couldn't you?